What's up, guys? This is Mr. Erdogan. You're watching Music with Mr. Erdogan. Today we're going to be learning the second part of O Susanna and a new note that we need to learn to be able to play that second part. Alright guys, that was the full song of O Susanna. So today we're going to be learning the second half and then putting it back with the first half that we learned in the last video. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and do that now before you watch this one. So to be able to learn our second part, we have to start with learning a new note. But before we do that, let's go ahead and review the notes we've already learned. So the first three notes that we learned were B, A, and G. After that we learned E, D, and C. But there's something in the middle that we're forgetting, and that's our F note. Now the F note is a little bit of a weird note. Depending on the type of recorder that you have, it may be played one way or it may be played another way. My particular recorder is a Baroque recorder. And I'm not saying broke as in broken, I'm saying Baroque as in Baroque time period in music. The way I know that my recorder is a Baroque recorder is that I turn my recorder around and look above the thumb hole and I see a little B there. Now, if you have a little B there, you're going to play the F the same way I'm going to teach how to play the F. If you have a G there, it means you have a German recorder. So let's look over to the left side of the screen where we see our F and where it lands on the musical staff. And if we look over to the right side of the screen, we're going to see our fingering for our F note. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 3, and 4. Our middle finger on our right hand is just kind of hanging out. We don't drop that down because if we do drop that down, that is now our low C. And we don't want that. We're trying to play an F. So let's hear how that sounds. Go ahead and play along with me. Now if you're playing on a German recorder, you're going to play your F like this. 1, 2, 3, and 1. If you have a Baroque recorder and you're playing it like this, it's not that big of a deal anyways. And also, if you actually go on to play something like the saxophone later on, the saxophone plays the F exactly like the German version. So I feel like the German version is a little bit more natural. But anyways, so let's go ahead and look at the music for part 2 of O Susanna. So what you're looking at now is the entire version of O Susanna. You may recognize lines 1 and 2 from our last video, and lines 3 and 4 are what we have to focus on now, which is part 2 of O Susanna. So to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to spread apart the lines, then add the note names back again. So I'm going to start with showing you where our Fs are, and then our Cs, and then our Ds, our E's, our G's, and A's. Now remember, F is your new note, and part 2, which is starting on line 3, starts with your F. So in my last video I talked about a count-in, and how normally we have a 4-beat count-in, and how this song would only have a 3-beat count-in. I didn't fully explain the reason why we have 4 beats as our count-in, but I did talk about the time signature, and the count-in actually does have to do with the time signature. So if we look again at the time signature for this song, we see that it's a 4/4 time signature. And again, that means that there are 4 beats in every bar, and that's what tells you how many beats will be in your count-in. So if we were playing a song that had a 3/4 time signature, we would have a 3-beat count-in. Likewise, if we had a 5/4 time signature, we would have a 5-beat count-in. But we don't have to worry about that right now. And the only reason why I'm mentioning it is because we have pickup notes at the beginning of the song, and that tends to make things a little bit trickier when we're doing the count-in. So let's go back to focusing on the second half of the song. I'm going to gray out the first 2 lines, the first half that we practiced in our last video so we don't get distracted by those 2 lines. And like I said before, the second half of the song starts on line 3, and there are no pickup notes for this, so we're going to give you a 4-beat count-in, just a normal count-in to start you off. So just as a reminder, part 2 starts with 2 half notes, and half notes are 2 beats long. So let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you may have noticed that in part 2, the second line, the last line of the song, it's exactly the same as the second line of part 1. So if you already did a great job of learning part 1, part 2 will probably be pretty easy for you to pick up. All you'll have to learn is one additional line. Now let's try playing it again, a little bit faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this point, I'm going to bring back lines 1 and 2 so we can try playing the entire song start to finish. Now, if you're still having any difficulty with the second half of the song, I suggest rewinding the video and watching it as many times as you need to until you feel better about being able to play the second half before you start playing the entire thing start to finish. Now, if you're ready to move on, we need to remember that the beginning of this song starts with a 3-beat count-in because of the pickup notes. And if you already did a good job of learning the first half of the song from the previous video, hopefully this should be pretty easy for you. So let's give it a try at a medium pace. This is how fast we're going to be going. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, are you ready to play a little bit faster? Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. And just for fun, let's try playing it even faster. And this time I'm going to give you a 2-bar count-in, but remember I'm only going to count to 3 in the second bar. And we start playing our pickup notes where we would normally have our 4th beat of the count-in. Are you ready? This is the speed we're going to play at. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There you have it, guys. That was part 1 and part 2 of Oh Susanna and our new note all put together to be able to play the entire song. Now, if you're having difficulty with any of this, please feel free to watch these videos as many times as you like until you're feeling more confident to move on to the next video. And if you like this video, please hit that like button as usual. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that now. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh Susanna part 2, take 2. Today we're going to be learning part 2 of... So far we've learned our B, our A, our G, and then our D. If you want to subscribe for future videos, please go ahead and do that as well. And I'll see you guys. See you guys. What was that? And then when we get to G, we go back to A. Alright guys, that was the entire version of That's a wrap.